Hi again, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here at a special day at Bonhams Cars Online. It's an invitation day for their customers and hangers-on, some supporters like me. So there should be quite a few customers who brought their own cars. It's a bit of a wet day, so probably people haven't come in what they might have done. I certainly didn't come in my Esprit, it's just too wet for that, and I needed to do some work on it yesterday. Again, raining. It's been raining all weekend, it's really rubbish. So anyway, we're going to have a look at what's out there in the car park from customers bringing in, but also have a look in the unit, because they've always got some great stuff in there. Let's check it out. This is Luden Classics that owns this. He's driven this here. Clearly been used for motorsport, but what a thing. I don't know what his plan is for it. But it's got him here from South Essex. I think he's been on a little bit of a tour. Yeah, interesting Jag. Yeah, so I like an old Series 1 Land Rover. It's possible I've seen this one before. Might have even featured this one on the video before. I actually did a drive of one of these. I can link the video to that. It was an interesting experience. That one had a bit of a backstory as well, bit of history, military history. Yeah, I do like these. I think I might have mentioned these on pretty much every video I've ever done, how much I like the Aston Martin V8. I think it'd probably look a bit better in a slightly darker colour, dark blue, dark red, dark green, but it's still a lovely car. And we've got a Corvette C2 there. What else have we got? Escort Mark II. I don't know if this is the RS. Yeah, RS 2000. I thought it was. Obviously that slopey front nose, slant nose kind of gives it away, but you never really know if someone's added that. We saw this one coming in the Lotus Elan. It's the Plus 2. Although, like most Plus 2s, I think you'd be hard pushed to put much in the back of there. This interesting little Alfa. So ordinarily, I'd pick out an Alfa that got just the two doors. Would be a Berlinetta. This is obviously the Berliner. Yeah, it's Julia Super. Nice little thing. And one of my favourites, the Volvo P1800 or 1800S. Again, actually this one's quite an early one, because not only has it got the hockey stick trims down the side, it's got the cow horn bumpers on the front as well. So as far as I understand it, that denotes it as being quite an early one, possibly even one that was Jensen built in Birmingham. Down here, this line of sort of more modern cars, but tucked in here, nice little Lancia. Again, not the Berlinetta, but the Berliner, the Saloon. Flavia. It's got curtains in the back. That's interesting. But yeah, right-hand drive. I think there was. I guess this must have been for right-hand drive market, this particular one, but there was a thing where actually earlier Lancias were all right-hand drive. Okay, so here we are at Bonhams Cars Online, it says up there. Have a quick shifty around their car park outside, see what's about. Jaguar, is that XJR S, I think. Certainly looks like one. And BMW. So is it 835 CSI? I don't know. I'm not a big fan. I quite like these, but I'm not particularly well versed. 635 CSI. I've got some of the letters and numbers right. Next to that, which I do know a bit more about, is the SL55, just the AMG version. I had one, the R230, possibly the facelift model from this, but the one I had was the V6. In fact, BMW Z4 Coupe. I don't know, is it the M? No, it's not the M. So the M's are quite sought after, quite rare. Not really my thing. Jeep. Defender's quite nice. VW bus, or camper, it's okay. Again, not really my thing. What have we got here? Nice BMW. Is that the SEL? Yes, that's the 4.2. Big old thing. Is it W123, 124, 126? I don't know. Again, it's hard to remember the numbers. But I do quite like these. Big V8 in them, I think. Okay, Jaguar XKR. Little slats in the bonnet vents. It's supercharged. What's that? 997. I think so. It's quite a nice colour. No idea what that is. Let's have a look. What even is that? I'm struggling at the minute. Must be something like a Ginetta or something. Oh, no, a Ligier. Well, there we go. That's probably why I didn't understand what it was. Never seen one like that before. A Ligier. Okay, we've got another Mercedes. It's the Coupe. I think it's got Lawrence wheels. Yeah, so it's the SEC. So it's the same car as the saloon the other end, but obviously the two-door variant. Lots of AMG trim. And then over there we've got an M4, pretty recent, only a few years old, and a classic Mini Super. Okay, let's take a little look around inside. First thing that greets you, Ferrari 308 GTB. I've got a feeling that this one might well be, I don't know, I was going to say it's the Vetroresina, but maybe I'm talking out of turn. Of course, Vetroresina meaning fiberglass, so nothing very exciting, but it is if you're a 308 enthusiast. Not surprisingly, there's quite a lot of British cars. You've got MGBs, Lotus Elise up there. There's an awful lot of Jaguars and Aston Martins. Quite a few Mercedes, they sell well. Up there, you can see on the middle shop there, that's an Ogle. You don't see many of those. But yeah, quite a few Aston Martins, those sort of V8s and DBSs. Seems to be quite a few of those coming from a collector in Dubai, I think, or Kuwait, sorry. And they're gradually sort of being sold. Nice Mustang there, nice colour scheme. The BMW 3 litre CSL. So, a couple of Lancia Deltas. This one here, see, catching more attention than the one up there. The one up there says it's Evo on their plate. Whether it is or not, I don't know. I suspect not. They're quite expensive now. Well, you don't often get them this sort of age. They're really old kind of stuff. 1920s, or probably that one is 1910s. So we've already got tucked away up here. Got some Rolls Royce and a Bentley. And here's a little test for you. Not sure if you know what that would be. I think it's a Dodge Viper. Another Rolls Royce. Again, Jaguars, another Bentley, another MG up top. Oh, I should know what that is up there. I think I had to write about one. It's an Enigma. Is it Healy Enigma? Something like that. Pretty sure I had to write one when I was writing for these guys. Nice MGA up there. Again, more Rolls Royces, more Jaguars, and obviously the fluted grille on this one gives it away as a Daimler rather than a Jaguar. Range Rover and MG. Just an unusual thing. It says Ford and V8 on the front, which kind of gives away what's actually in it. I don't know if it's actually a period car or whether it's some sort of recreation. Whatever it is, it looks an awful lot of fun. And funnily enough, I saw one of these just the other day at Vista Heritage, Lotus Elite. 911 Cabriolet. I don't know, it's got a big whale tail on the back. I don't know if that means it's anything special or whether it's just got a whale tail on the back. It doesn't have any shark fins on the side. It's all getting a bit marine, isn't it? Whale tail, shark fins. A Aston Vantage. Well, I don't know why they didn't call the Vantage as the soft top Vantage a Volante like the rest of them, but they call it a Roadster. Maybe they just think it's too small to be a Volante. Some nice kind of period motoring badges there on the badge bar on the front. Rover P5. And this is lovely, isn't it? How lovely is this? A super colour. It's a Lagonda. Wow, that's special. And then a big Ford, kind of American car, I guess. Yep. Big V8 inside. And yet another Porsche, a diesel Porsche. And obviously it's the tractor. So they did Porsche did an advert, didn't they, with a Porsche tractor in it, going for its service. I know very little about bikes, other than that is one. Oh, it's a Ducati. And then clearly that's a bit of E-Type. A very small bit of E-Type. I don't know where the rest of it is. You just finish up down this middle row. Another MGB looks very sweet. It's just a Lister Knobbly, isn't it? I don't know what they call it officially, but that kind of thing. I tested it now. Is this Porsche? Is it a Speedster Porsche or a Spider? Can't remember what they call these ones. No idea. I think it's that. Those probably a kit car or a replica type thing. But yeah, be good fun.
It is a nice little thing. Sounds good.
So what's this one? An AC from the 1930s.
That's why I had to get it was 2.9, but it's the later one.
This is quite cute as well. Maserati. What's this? Is that Sebring? This is a bit like the one I saw at again, a bit like the one I saw at Bicester last week. You must buy it now, priced 160,000. Wow, I'd say that's all the money, isn't it? Look at it though. So I am a bit of a sucker for nice blue cars, but there's something about a nice deep red as well. That Lagonda and this, they really stand out for me. TVR, I never really know which one's which. I've driven a few different TVRs, but I don't know, is this a Griffith? Is it a Cerbera? Is it a Chimera? I really don't know. Chimera, there you go. I knew it was one of those. Another 911. And I'm going to say that that's a 993. Not that I really know much about 911s, but I think that's a 993. So the last of the the air-cooled 911s. And then this is something for a lot of people interested in. 1.9, I think it's the 1.9 Peugeot. Yeah. Oh no, it's a 1.6. This one. 205 GTI. Very popular now. As a classic and zooming up in value as well. Okay, nearly missed one. This one here, a Morgan. I don't know about Morgans really. I mean, this I think this one's an actual old Morgan. It's G-registered, so it makes it. That's sometime in the 60s, is it? Obviously, Morgan have always made cars that look old, so it's really hard sometimes to see, is it an old Morgan or is it just a new one that looks old? So it's a pretty good turnout here at Bonhams Cars Online. There's still people arriving. It's just coming up to lunchtime. I think they're going for another couple of hours. And yeah, some really nice cars. The weather's now starting to get a bit rubbish again, but it's been good otherwise. Anyway, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.